Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got different dimensions. I'd rather be in Nashville, and H. La Coseadora Eskimo Kisses. Here is different dimensions. I'd rather be in Nashville. Oh, it's such a pretty blue polish with a teal shimmer that's just, so good, so good. As you can see on my other nails, it kind of dries down matte, but y'all know I'm going to put a glossy top coat on it. This is just so pretty. I love this shade of blue. It's such a happy, bright blue. You know, stuff like that just snatches you up. I love it. Alright, so we got our first coat done. We're going to go in with the second coat. And you can see that that's making it very opaque. Very nice, very pretty. Yay! Ugh, I love all that shimmer in it. I'm going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. We're going to get it to dry down so we can do a little bit of stamping. I am going to try to behave and just do some... Okay, I'm going to do 3 nails. I'll leave 2 just with the polish. I am going to cap my free edge here. Ta-da! And we're going to have to get Woody out here to clean this mess up. Hi, Woody. How you doing? There we go. Nice. There's my swatch photo of it on its own. And this is H. La Coseadora, and this is the Eskimo Kisses plate. I'm going to use the snowflakes and Maniology's Frozen, which is another favorite of mine. I've got an ice cube stamper from Maniology and my Maniology scraper out today. I am going to flip this around a little bit so that they're not all just, you know, the nails that I stamp aren't exactly the same. We're going to have, you know, the snowflakes, different bits and pieces of them on each nail. There you go. Going to clean that stamper off on a lint roller. And we're going to clean that plate off with pure acetone. Now, the instructions say not to use pure acetone on these plates, but I've always only used pure acetone on all of my acrylic plates, and I have not had a single issue with it. So I just want to throw that out there. Do what you feel like you need to do, but I'm letting you know what I do. That's what I do. There we go. One more. Here we go. Now, I'm not asking for snow or anything, but it has gotten colder here, and I figured, you know, since I wanted to wear this blue polish so much, that I decided to go ahead and go with the snowflakes. And they do pop really well. I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape and get some of that excess off of my skin. Love this. Oh, good times, y'all. I am going to break out my acetone and do just a little bit of cleanup. Not much needed. Now that that's done, I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once that is totally dry, I will be going in with my final top coat, my glossy top coat. There we go. I'm going to be using Sèche Vite today. I'm going to put that over all of the nails, stamped or not. All of the nails are going to get a coat of this. I prefer a certain amount of thickness on my nails, you know. It's like a protection. So I'm going to go ahead and, even though those plain nails have already been top coated, I'm going to top coat them again also. Capping that free edge because Sèche Vite for me shrinks. And see, here we go. We're going to go over that one too. Love this manicure. I know it's very basic, but it was very nice. Very fun to wear. Really enjoyed it. Kept that free edge again. There we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. Here's my swatch photo. Please send me a comment down below. I want to hear what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.